Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another rosin review. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So today, guys, we're going to be checking out the Gas House coming from Only Hash. If you haven't done so already, make sure you check out Only Hash on Instagram at OnlyHash69. Feel free to send them a DM message. Let them know that you've seen the video on this channel. And be sure to reference Space City Cannabis. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the design on this label here. We got the Gas House up top, and on the side here we got 70 to 120U with the Only Hash logo right there. Let's go ahead and pop the top. This is a 2-gram puck. Now we've already tried it out. This stuff is incredible. Right off the bat, you get a really nice OG nose to it, like a sour lime, gassy nose to it that's very prominent as soon as you open it up. It is a bit on the drier side, so perfect for rolling hash holes. But just look at that, y'all. Just looking very, very nice. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you check out the live streams where we actually rolled this up in a hash hole. So don't miss out on those live streams, guys. Now let's go ahead and grab a little bit of this. We'll throw it in this Puffco Peak Pro over here. I'm going to just scoop the sides right here. Grab all of this stuff here. Hopefully you guys can see that. This camera always has some trouble focusing, but there you go. Let's go ahead and drop that in here. Got a nice glob in there. We'll close this back up. And we do have a custom top on here. This is a double cup with some lean pouring out the sides. We have a Tough Tethers with a Ninja Star in there as well. With this top on here, that'll make the Ninja Star spin real nice. Let's go ahead and cut it on. Double click it. And we'll go ahead and get it going, y'all. Give it just a second to warm up. And we go ahead and enjoy this Gas House rosin. All right, ready to go? Let's take a hit. Oh man, incredible, guys. Really nice lime sour flavor to it. A little bit of gassiness on it. And this thing really spins, man. I don't know if you guys can catch it on there, but definitely spins real nice with this attachment. It really gets all the vape out of it. Yeah, really nice pulls off of that. Gas House coming from Only Hash. Let's go ahead and check out how it burned. Burn real clean. Very, very nice show. We'll go ahead and clean it off. And we'll go ahead and end the review. This stuff is amazing, y'all. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're checking out Only Hash on Instagram at OnlyHash69. Shoot them a DM. Let them know you saw the video on Space City Cannabis' channel. if you guys are interested in trying this stuff out. Whew. Definitely got the dab sweats already. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy another dab, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next rosin review. If you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on IG at Official Space City and at Official Space City Cannabis Merch. And don't forget to subscribe to the other two channels, Space City Grows and the Space City Podcast. And with all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next review. Peace.